sip of light from wisdom's open sea. It builds the soul, through striving leads the way. Within our hearts, the quiet visions grow, and onward to a higher dawn we go. One sip, and with it all our echoes flow.
In this immense universe, not every shock comes in the form of galaxies. Some may come from a tiny particle, yet carry enough mystery to unsettle physics itself. Sometimes the universe does not need a giant object to astonish us. Something unimaginably small, moving at an extreme speed and carrying an almost impossible amount of energy, is enough to leave scientists standing in awe. And in today's episode, we are not standing before a strange star, nor before an enormous cosmic structure. We are standing before a single particle. Yes, just one particle. Yet it was enough to shake one of the most deeply rooted rules in astrophysics and to open a disturbing set of questions about the limits of energy, the limits of speed, and the boundaries of what we believe the universe allows. This is not merely a remarkable scientific discovery. It is a cosmic warning, a mysterious signal from the depths of space, telling us that there are still things in this universe that lie beyond our understanding, exceed our expectations, and place our scientific models under a true test. In this episode, we will approach one of the most astonishing events in the cosmos, an event small in size but immense in its impact on science. And here the real question begins. Do we truly know the limits of what can happen in the universe? Or are there hidden forces still operating beyond our reach of understanding?
Deep space might look like a lawless void, but it operates under strict mathematical rules. These laws determine the maximum energy and speed any particle can reach during its journey through the vacuum. This is the Greisen-Zatsepin-Kuzmin limit, or GZK limit. It represents a physical ceiling for cosmic rays. Theoretical models suggest that no particle traveling from a distant galaxy should reach Earth with an energy higher than 5 × 10 to the 19th electron volts. The reason for this limit is the cosmic microwave background radiation that fills space. If a particle exceeds this energy level, it will inevitably collide with that radiation, scattering its energy and slowing down before it can reach our sensors. But in 1991, the Fly's Eye Observatory in Utah detected something that shouldn't exist: a single proton arriving from deep space that seemed to ignore this physical barrier entirely. The instruments recorded the proton's energy at 3 × 10 to the 20th electron volts. This measurement was more than 5 times higher than the theoretical GZK limit, a discrepancy so massive it couldn't be explained away as a minor calculation error. Scientists instantly dubbed it the "Oh my God" particle. The name reflected the shock of finding a physical event that bypassed the energy limits we had considered ironclad for decades. To understand the energy this single particle carried, consider the Large Hadron Collider. This is the most powerful particle accelerator ever built by humans, a multi-billion-dollar machine designed specifically to push matter to its limits. This small bar represents the maximum energy the LHC produces in a lab. The adjacent bar represents the energy of that one single proton. It carried millions of times more energy than anything we can generate with our most advanced technology. In macroscopic terms, this subatomic particle had the kinetic energy of a baseball traveling at 100 kilometers per hour. Imagine taking the entire force of that moving baseball and packing it into a physical space 1 billion times smaller than a single atom. Concentrating this much energy into a single proton forces a re-evaluation of the astrophysical sources capable of producing such force. It suggests a mechanism for energy distribution that our current models simply don't account for. Beyond its energy, the particle's speed presented its own mathematical puzzle. The proton traveled at 99.5 followed by 29s, and 51% the speed of light. Special relativity calculates this velocity, but doesn't explain the acceleration. Pushing a particle this fast requires a source far more powerful than any known supernova or black hole. Then there is the matter of distance. The particle maintained this extreme velocity while traveling for millions of light years across the void. Through that entire journey, it should have been losing momentum through collisions with deep space radiation, yet it reached Earth with its energy almost entirely intact. The fact that it survived this journey without slowing down reveals a significant blind spot in our understanding of how high-energy particles move through the cosmos. It would be easy to dismiss this as a glitch in the sensors. However, subsequent observations from other observatories have confirmed that the fly's eye data was accurate. The Oh My God particle wasn't an error. It was a documented event involving real, measurable forces at work in the deep universe. This leaves us with a haunting question. What kind of object in space is capable of launching a piece of matter with this much kinetic force? Decades after its discovery, we still haven't identified the source or the mechanism that could produce such an extreme acceleration. The Oh My God particle remains a reminder that the universe contains mechanisms and power levels that are currently beyond our scientific reach. It is proof that the cosmos is far more violent and energetic than our models can yet explain.
And at the end of this episode, the OMG particle remains one of those discoveries that not only astonish scientists, but also invite us to reflect deeply on the greatness of this universe and the precision of its secrets. When we see that a particle so incredibly small can carry a level of energy and speed far beyond what we are accustomed to in our understanding of physics, we realize that this universe is far wider, stranger, and greater than our minds can fully imagine. Such cosmic phenomena always remind us that however great human knowledge may seem, it still remains limited before this immense creation. And behind this astonishing order, these extraordinary forces, and these mysteries stretching across the depths of space, there is a great creator who perfected his creation, measured it with wisdom, and placed within this universe signs that call the mind to reflection and the heart to faith in the greatness of the Lord of all worlds. And no matter how far science advances, and no matter how much humanity tries to unravel the mysteries of the heavens, we will always remain in awe before this cosmic magnificence, reflecting upon it and realizing that above every possessor of knowledge is one more knowing. If you enjoyed this video, do not forget to subscribe to the channel and activate the notification bell so you do not miss any new content. Glory be to you, O Allah, and praise be to you. We bear witness that there is no God but you. We seek your forgiveness and repent to you.
A sip of light, where ancient wisdom flows. Through ancient wisdom flows, through endless space, the human spirit grows. Within our souls, the seeds of thought take flight to